Welcome to NetEd Connect. Today, it's all about networking devices and their differences. Number 1, hub. Hub connects two or more than two electronic devices such as printer, scanner computer, laptop to form a local area network. As you can see in this figure, hub broadcasts a message to each and every device is connected to the hub-only receiver. Device accept the message in other devices, drop the message, and 2. Network switches. Switch connects two or more than two electronic devices such as printer, scanner computer, laptop to form a local area network. As you can see in this figure, switch can unicast or multicast a message, depends on user need. So only intended device will receive and accept the message. Bridge. Bridge is generally two-port device used to connect two networks having similar communication protocol. Sometimes bridge can have multiple port also, so it can be used to connect multiple networks with similar communication protocols. And after connecting different networks together, bridge treat them as a single network. Router. Router is an intelligent networking device used to connect two or more than two different networks having similar communication protocols. Best thing about router is it finds the best and fastest way to transmit data from sender to receivers. Device using IP Internet Protocol address. Gateway. Gateway is similar to router because it is also intelligent. Device work with IP address, but the difference is gateway connects two or more than two different networks having two similar protocols. Gateway provide internet access to local area network, and it acts as a protocol converter. Example, LAN uses Ethernet protocol, and Ethernet uses TCP/IP protocol. So we use gateway as an intermediator to make communication possible between two different networks having the similar protocols. A network interface card is a hardware component, typically a circuit board or chip which is installed on a computer so it can connect to a network. All the devices which we can connect to the network must contain. There are two types of NIC available in the market. That is wireless NIC, or we can say Wi-Fi card, and the wired NIC.